Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please kindly like and subscribe. Please like and comment and subscribe. So today we are going to be making this beautiful cross bag, and the measurement is 8.5 inches by 10 inches. 8.5 by 10 inches, and we are having two pieces of that. For the inside gusset, which is the base, we are having 3.5 by 20 inches. And for the zip, it is 15.5 by 1.7, and we are going to have two pieces of that. That is the zip side. Now for the front body, you can see a cutting there, so I'm going to, that is a zipper space, so I'll be inserting a zip there, and the measurement for that is 2 inches and 0.5 cut for the zip side. Now let's get into sewing. As you can see, I'm joining the zip to the lining of the zipper pull for the front body. Please watch this video very well. It is a well detailed tutorial. A very well detailed tutorial. You're going to learn a lot from this, and this is beginner friendly. Please watch it very well, and please subscribe to my channel. Please. Now, when I was sewing, I forgot to tell you guys that when I was joining the zip to the lining earlier, I supposed to sew the side, close the side of the lining. If you notice the video very well, I did not close the side of the lining. Please, if you are doing yours, make sure you close the side of the lining for easy sewing. Please close the side of the lining for easy sewing. Now what I'm doing here is I'm trying to create a small design to the bag, and the measurement of that round design is 1.5 by 3 inches. Just 1.5 by 3 inches, and shape it with your free hand. It's not something hard. It's something you're just going to shape with your free hand, and I input a stabilizer inside it just for it to be thicker. I make use of Marco. You can make use of Marco, you can make use of cardboard, or you can make use of chipboard. If you have chipboard, you can make use of chipboard. Because I did not have chipboard, so I make use of Marco. Then I try to locate the middle of the body. That is what I'm doing earlier. So this is me closing the lining of the zip. Please close the lining of the zip before you started sewing. Now for this particular design, I'm sorry guys, I didn't show how I did all this. It's just something I did when I didn't have anything to do. So I've already created some of this design when I didn't have anything to do. So I was thinking of the kind of design I would do. So that is how I came up with all this design that you are seeing. Now input your lining and sew around. So I've already sewn my lining to the both body. Now let's work on the gusset, the zip side and the bottom side of the bag. So you are going to make sure that the lining you are cutting for your zip or your corset side is larger than the material. Make sure the lining is kind of bigger than the material. So, and your zip should be bigger than the material, maybe by 1 inches. You know, my zipper side is 15.5, so you can cut your zip around maybe 16.5, and your lining should be bigger than both. So the right side of your zip will be facing the right side of your material. The right side of the zip will face the right side of your material, and you're going to sew it down like that. After then, you're going to top stitch. Just tuck in the lining and top stitch. So after you're done with the sewing, cut the essence lining out and do the same to the other side of the zip as seen. This video is a beginner friendly. Trust me, it is well detailed. Then after this both sewing of the zip, insert your zipper pull just like that. Make sure your zip cloth is equal, then insert your zipper pull. Then after that, I cut 3 inches belt. This is a fashion belt, 1.5 inches belt. Then I cut 3 inches. Insert my adjuster. You can call this square adjuster. So I insert my square adjuster and I sew it to the zip body. Now it is time to fix your bottom to the body, to the zip side. You can fix your button in 2 ways. Is either you sew the lining to the button sew the lining to the button and fix and sew it and close it with the zip like this, or you did it the way I'm doing mine, because I'm trying to get a neat stitches. That is why I'm doing that. Then after that, cut out the essence at the down part and do the same to the other side of the bottom. I'm sorry, this is my first time of posting here. That is why my recording. I don't know if my recording is actually really good, but please manage it like that. Just watch the video to follow. Then after joining the both side, we are going to top stitch and sew the line around the bottom of the bag. Then after the whole sewing, cut out the essence, and it is time to fix this gusset to the main body of the bag. So I'm going to make use of my binding clips to clip the gusset to the bag before sewing. I don't want any stress. You see that binding clips? It always relieve me of stress. So I'm going to close the bag together before sewing. And as you can see, it fits. Then I'm going to sew the gusset to the main body. So, and this is the back side. I'm doing the same thing, joining the gusset to the back side. Then after that, I'm going to tape the back around for knitting, because I love it when my work is very neat. I love knit stitches and all that. Please, I'm begging again, kindly like, comment and subscribe to my channel. This is my first time. Please help your girl. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. You are going to learn a lot from this channel. Trust me. I am cooking something bigger than this. This is just like a preamble. So please stay tuned to my channel and like and comment. It is time to fix the zip, the belt to the gusset, to the bag, sorry. It is time to fix the belt to the bag. I don't know, maybe I'm hungry, that's why. So, yeah. So guys, we have come to the end of our tutorial. Please, I think this is the third time I'm saying it. Comment and subscribe, please. Comment, likes, and subscribe to my channel. And the next video I'll be dropping is going to be on a very interesting and trendy bag, and you're going to learn a lot from that video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for the likes. I really appreciate you. May God continue to bless you. May God continue to bless the work of your hand. I pray we are all going to prosper. Amen. Thank you so much, and I love you guys so much. Thank